Welcome back to GreenTGarden. Today we're going to unbox and test out this beautiful new self-watering herb planter box with a trellis. You could fill up the water and leave it for weeks, maybe up to 20 days without watering again. And this could grow inside or outside, so whichever way you're going to do. But it comes in a pack of one or a pack of two. I decided to get a pack of two because I'm a big fan of growing. So let's unbox and check this out. All right, so let's see what's in the box. I'm very excited about this because this we could grow indoor or we could grow outdoor. And it's very easy and simple to go. So we have two sets of two. You could either get the sets of two or the sets of one. And it comes in 3 different colors. Here, start your planting journey. Don't forget, always with GreenTGarden, check in the description box below. I always leave. Oh, they sent a screwdriver. Love it. I get excited when I see extra free stuff. I don't know about you guys, but wow. So these goes at the bottom. So these are the only thing we have to screw in, which is 4 screw. Very simple and easy stuff. I like how they put everything individually wrap and bag, so everything is like easy. We flip this over, we grab this too, and you could see fits in easily like that. There's 2 screws, and then right through this hole it goes right through down to the screwdriver, and you could screw it up really easy. After we finish screw this, you could see it perfectly, and we're gonna fill this over. Here's where we're gonna fill our water, but you can see inside when we fill all these holes right here, you're gonna get access to water. So that's how you become the self-watering. Very nice and creative. So these are really good heavy-duty quality and simple stuff. You just pop it in at each 4 corner. These right here, which we'll just press them in right there. You just snap it in. Look at that. Snap that in, and we come right here. Same thing. I love it. And look, we're almost finished within like a minute. And then this is the water gauge. Tells you if the water high or low. And we're gonna come like that. It's 10.5 inches from top to bottom, 17.5 inches across here, and then from back to front it's 7.3 inches. It's about 2.5 liter of water, and it could last probably up to 20 days. So next step, get some nice loose soil, fill it up with fresh new soil. Alright, so next step, we fill it up with soil. We're gonna fill this up with water. What we're gonna do, we're gonna open this up. So we're gonna fill this up. We're gonna watch our gauge right there. Got some basil. I'm gonna do basil and cilantro. Definitely basil and cilantro. I got a little carried away, but I'm gonna water this topsoil a little bit. I can't help it. It's amazing. This thing is looking so good. I want to plant every single thing, make it like, you know, like bushy in a forest in here. Here you could take a look how beautiful this thing is, and we got a bunch of basil and cilantro. I tested the water. I'm gonna show you. So we upped in the gauge right here. We're about halfway full, it tells you. And right here, the back of it here, you have 2 of them. You could control your water here. You could also drain out extra if you have a lot of extra water on one side. And then the same thing, if you have too much water, you could always drain out some right there. If you leave it outside and rain falls and filled it up, that's very good and handy. So we're gonna control the water from there too. And I love the trellis. So what I'm gonna do, I will definitely keep you guys updated. I will leave each video at the comment section below so you guys will follow the update process. I might keep this out here on the back porch. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, or maybe inside. And as I said, 3 colors. Check in the description box below for more price and details. I always leave a discount code. They have their amazing garden bed, tomato trellis, retractable hose, tons of stuff Vego Garden have. So overall, it's an amazing self-watering herb planter. It was designed incredible. It's beautiful. I'm not just saying this because I make the video or I want you guys to buy it. I'm being honest with you. It's gorgeous, as you could see. And I gotta tell you, Vego Garden, they're always turning the next level up. I feel like they're bringing out this new idea, an awesome idea. And as for gardeners, and we want to plant to make our home look special, our garden looks more beautiful, so this is a great idea. Alright, so if you're new, welcome to GreenTGarden. We're all about growing a better home garden together. I'm in Long Island, New York, and we have tons of videos coming up. Also, check my playlists out. I have a lot of video, and I'm very grateful and appreciated by you guys subscribing and helping my channel grow. I'm reaching more people, I'm helping more people, and it's all free. So I do appreciate if you guys could click the subscribe button, followed by the bell icon. Every time I upload a video, you guys will get it right away.